In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog post on your WordPress website. Let's say you built your website, you want to actually start blogging. How do you create a post? So you have to come to your WordPress admin dashboard, hover around posts. This is the feature that will enable you to post blogs. You have to click on add a post or add post, as the case may be. You click on next or you close this, whichever one. Here you're going to enter your title. So let me open a new tab and show you. Let's go and search how to cook a pot of rice. Let me open any blog here. So I want to open this blog. Can you see that here you have the title of this blog? All right, let me highlight it, just copy it. Can you see? Then you have the author here, the author's name. Then you have the image here. You have how to cook rice and all of this. How do you do all of this? This is where you can do them. You can post your title here. You start typing. All right, this is how to post a blog. First of all, your title. Then if you want to add an image, let me say I want to add an image. What you will do is just click enter. You see this blog icon here is for you to add a blog. A blog is just some things you can add to your website. It could be paragraph, it could be image, it could be headline, it could be gallery, whatever. A quote, you can add it. Let's say I want to add a quote here. Can you see? You can add a quote here. Let's say I want to add an image again. I want to add an image here. You can actually do this. So let's say I want to add an image here. Click on image blog. Then what do I do again? I go to media library or you upload. Let me put this particular one here. So let me put this particular image in our blog. Continue writing. You click on enter. You want to start writing a blog. Just keep entering. Let's say let me copy something here. This is just for tutorial purposes. I'm not copying any blog. Can you see? You keep writing. Let's say here I want to add a YouTube video. Click on the add block again. Search YouTube to give you this. Let's say you want to go to youtube.com and get a video link. youtube.com. Let's get a video link. We'll add to this. So let me add this particular video.
Imagine being able to build.
Copy the link here. I copy it, go back to here, my website, and then click on embed. The video will appear on my blog. Can you see? So I can continue writing again. Click on enter. Let's say I want to add something again. So whatever you want to add, you keep adding them, right? Let me copy something here. So if you want to get images for your blog, you can always go to unsplash.com and get images for your blog. So let's copy this and put here. Can you see? This is how you continue writing your blog. When you are done writing, the next thing you will do is just to hit on publish. Let me view it live. Can you see the blog post we've just written now? Written by Faith Amole, November 5, blah blah blah. Can you see the blog we just wrote now? So this is how to write your blog. Make sure your blog is SEO friendly. But in my upcoming videos, I also teach you how to write an SEO optimized blog, all right, and also show you how to write affiliate blogs that earn income, the same method I'm using to earn over $500. So I will also teach you how to do affiliate blogging, the same method I'm using to earn from affiliate blogging. So I'm going to teach you all of that. So in my next video, I will show you how to create pages on your WordPress website. And don't forget, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and always check my description to get details of any resource I use on this particular video. See you in my next video.